Primetime news this evening. We're defending ourselves. Railway lanes encountering residents ask cops to leave their roadblocks as it prevents drive-by shootings. More details on $20 million heist from Beryllium Security in East Kingston. And fearful St. James councillor demands action from the police. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, how should educators respond to physical confrontations with students? You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.